The best AI sports camera captures fast action with intelligent tracking, crystal clear footage, and hands-free recording, making every adventure unforgettable and shareable. My today's video is about top 5 best AI sports camera review that are available in the market. If you want to know price, and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Insta360X5 Waterproof 8K 360 degrees action camera. The Insta360X5 raises the bar for 360 degrees action cameras with an impressive combination of cutting-edge imaging, eye processing, and creator-friendly features. Its dual 1/1.28-inch sensors capture stunning 8K 30 frames per second 360 degrees footage packed with exceptional sharpness, vibrant colors, and excellent dynamic range, making every scene feel immersive and lifelike. The triple AI chip significantly enhances low-light performance, producing cleaner, brighter videos with noticeably reduced noise. Flow state stabilization and 360 degrees horizon lock keep footage remarkably smooth without requiring a gimbal, even during intense sports or fast-paced adventures. The invisible selfie stick effect delivers cinematic third-person perspectives, while AI-assisted reframing and Instaframe mode simplify editing and instantly create shareable content. Durable, replaceable lenses add long-term value by minimizing downtime from accidental scratches. Audio quality also stands out thanks to the upgraded 4-microphone system with wind guard technology that captures clear voices while reducing wind noise. Overall, the X5 is a premium, feature-rich AI sports camera built for serious creators and outdoor enthusiasts. Now our second product is DJI Osmo 360 Essential Combo 360 Action Camera. The DJI Osmo 360 is an outstanding AI-powered 360 degrees action camera that combines professional image quality with practical features for creators and adventure enthusiasts. Its large 1-inch imaging system captures stunning 8K 30 frames per second 360 degrees video with exceptional sharpness, vibrant colors, and impressive dynamic range, while delivering excellent low-light performance for nighttime scenes and sunrise adventures. The ability to record smooth 4K 120 frames per second footage creates cinematic slow-motion action, and the invisible selfie stick effect produces immersive third-person perspectives without distracting equipment in the frame. Switching between full 360 degrees capture and single-lens vlogging is effortless thanks to the magnetic quick-release design. Built-in 105GB storage and up to 190 minutes of recording eliminate worries about memory cards or frequent charging during long shoots. The 120MP 360 degrees photo mode preserves incredible detail, while the 4-microphone array and direct DJI microphone connectivity ensure rich, natural audio. Overall, the Osmo 360 is a premium camera that delivers exceptional performance, versatility, and convenience for modern content creators. Our third product is SpotGo Falcon All-in-One AI Action Camera. This AI-powered sports camera is an excellent solution for coaches, athletes, and parents who want professional quality game footage without hiring a camera operator. Its advanced AI system, driven by a 6-TOPS processor and an 8-core chipset, intelligently tracks both players and the ball, keeping the action centered throughout the game. The dual-lens design combines crisp 4K recording with AI-assisted tracking, producing detailed footage that's ideal for performance analysis, highlight reels, and recruitment videos. Built-in Wi-Fi makes live streaming simple, allowing family, friends, and fans to watch games in real time from anywhere. The compact all-in-one design eliminates the need for bulky stabilizers while remaining durable enough for outdoor use thanks to its IPX5 water-resistant construction. Flexible storage options, including cloud support and microSD compatibility, provide convenient recording and backup choices. Overall, this camera delivers reliable AI tracking, excellent video quality, and user-friendly operation, making it a valuable investment for capturing every important moment on the field or court. Now number 4, SpotGo Chameleon AI Auto Sports Action Camera. The SpotGo Chameleon is an impressive AI-powered sports tracking system that transforms an ordinary smartphone into a smart, automated sports camera. Its SpotVision AI 2.0 algorithm accurately tracks over 20 sports, smoothly following players and fast-paced action in both team games and individual competitions. The continuously evolving SpotGo app adds new features through regular updates, ensuring the system becomes even smarter over time. AI-assisted editing simplifies post-production by automatically creating polished highlight clips, while integrated live streaming makes it easy to share games with friends, family, and fans in real time. The 360 degrees panoramic tracking and 120 degrees ultra-wide AI lens capture more of the field, reducing missed moments and delivering dynamic footage. A long-lasting battery and lightweight design make it ideal for tournaments and extended events. Bluetooth remote control and Apple Watch compatibility provide convenient hands-free operation, while tripod support enables elevated, professional-looking camera angles. Overall, the Zbotgo Chameleon is a versatile, user-friendly solution for athletes, coaches, and sports content creators alike. And our last choice is generic FoloCam Kit AI Sports Camera. The FoloCam Kit is an excellent AI-powered sports filming solution for iPhone users who want professional quality videos with minimal effort. Its advanced AI automatic tracking keeps athletes or subjects perfectly centered, eliminating the need for a dedicated camera operator. The specialized ball tracking technology accurately follows soccer and basketball action, making it especially valuable for youth leagues, coaches, and parents recording games. With crisp 4K Ultra HD recording, every play is captured with impressive detail, vibrant colors, and smooth motion. Built-in live streaming allows games and events to be shared instantly with friends, family, or fans, adding convenience for real-time coverage. Designed specifically for iPhone 13 and newer models, the included gimbal delivers stable, cinematic footage even during fast-paced movement. A standout advantage is the lifetime FoloCam subscription, which unlocks both current and future premium features without recurring fees. Overall, the FoloCam Kit offers an outstanding blend of AI intelligence, image quality, stabilization, and long-term value for sports creators and everyday users alike. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.